I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are in California, getting ready to have some fun with Moose. It is hot. So we have like a crazy schedule already. What are we supposed to be doing today?
We have YouTube Live and we have bowling.
Yes. Ooh, bowling. That might chip my nails. Okay, I didn't just say that. I am not that bad. Really, I am. Walk me to our hotel room. I love staying in hotels.
Too.
It's so much fun. It's like you don't have to make your bed.
I know.
Not that I make my bed at home anyway. I do sometimes. Sometimes I make my bed.
Why are you lying?
I am totally not telling the truth. I think this is our room right here. Look at that! We have some cool stuff here. Looks like Moose already gave us something. Are you checking out the view?
Fantastic! I can see everything.
Wait, let's see. Do we have a? Can we see the beach? Can we see the beach?
It's like once in a lifetime.
You're so funny. Can't see the beach. That's okay. We have a bag over here from Moose. So let's check that out. You gonna go and look, see what's in the bag? Are you sitting on my bed with outside clothes?
Oh, it's one of those.
Are you even looking at the stuff? You're just like tossing it all on the bed.
I'm looking at it.
That is so cool.
We got hats.
Hats?
The hat's actually really cute.
Well, it's gonna be hard to fit a hat with your bun there. I got a Moose Maze t-shirt. I love this. I hope it fits. Yeah, it should fit. And the water bottle. Where's those glasses? Oh, let me try them on. I don't know if they're gonna fit. How do they look?
They don't fit.
They don't. It doesn't work.
Tight?
Actually, no. I'm gonna do this. I think I can rock this. I think I can pull this off.
Sun in my eyes and you in my mind. Sure, I got a lot to learn about love. Hey, summer's waiting for us. You know, the everlasting one. No matter if your heart is cold, I got plenty.
Day 2. Last night was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
We got to hang out with a whole bunch of YouTubers.
Yeah.
Sanjaroo kids.
Grace's World.
Yes. Love Grace. I haven't bowled in years.
Last time I went bowling was a birthday party like 2 months ago.
Well, you did better than me. I was so
really
bad.
It was terrible.
I was so bad at bowling. I think I got like 1 pin for my first 4 frames.
It was terrible.
Ugh, it was bad. So what is the plans for today?
Today, I think we're going to Moose headquarters in LA.
Well, what time does the bus leave?
10.
10?
What time is it now?
What time is it now?
9:36. We have to go.
Yeah, we better go. We're gonna be late for the bus. Let's go. Hey, wait for me. We're about to see some really cool stuff from Moose. She opened the door. Wow. This place is amazing. It's like a giant play world. Is there another door?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go behind the next door. say, I am like totally crazy about the way they displayed this. I have so many now that this looks like something I really want to do in my house. And let's open one. You know we're looking for Mother Gothel, right? Let's see. Is today the day that we get Mother Gothel? It's not Mother Gothel, but it is Wendy. And we don't have Wendy. Look, she's all super cute. And we have another mic. I wonder if I can open one more. Nobody's looking. It's okay though. This is, we have Pinocchio. Isn't he super cute? And that is the Dormouse from Alice in Wonderland.
This is Little Life Pets. Let me see if I did that wrong. We got Scruffalows, you wash, reveal, and groom, but then you get these super cute pets. There's a cat, a dog, and a bunny. Then over here, we got Little Life Pets. There is some talking birds, some surprise eggs. There's a dragon, which is crazy because they're super cute. It's Ice Dragon. And then you got some turtles, and it's so cool because the turtles come with like these little magnet things. And doesn't that look like Jello? And that looks like a pineapple.
I think that's a squid.
But that's a jellyfish, and that's an octopus.
Oh, it is a jellyfish. You're right.
But it looks like a squid, or it looks like a Jello. Then we have the Sparkles My Dancing Unicorn, which is a unicorn that dances. Pretty, you know, straightforward with the name. So, yeah.
We sing, I fall asleep, they talk and giggle, their eyes light up with their mood. That's so cool. It's like a little mood bracelet fuzzy creature that you can take everywhere with you. So we're gonna slap this on our wrist and voila! She got it! You see it? I'm gonna walk around my Raffles, walking around my Raffles, Raffles, yeah. Is in the doghouse. Let's see. There's a puppy in there. It's sleeping. Hello, little puppy. Come on out. Here we go. You cute little puppy. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. See, look, it licks your arm. There we go. Ah, you saw that. How you doing? Ah, I love this face. It scratches his little back and his tail wiggles. There's a button. Whoa.
That's trippy.
Cash out, had enough. Stuck here in the rut. Time to switch it up.
This is Treasure X, where it is the ultimate unboxing experience. You have the opportunity to find real gold dipped treasure. Seriously, it's real gold. Dipped. Yeah, dipped. So here's the package. You're gonna get this, and when you open it up, you will find this, which looks like a gold brick, but it's not. You gotta unwrap it to get this rock-like thing. And then you're gonna use your extractor tool, chip away, and you will get one of 24 collectible little minifigures to build. Now, they also come with a little treasure chest. And inside that treasure chest, there may be treasure, there may not be treasure. But it's all in the fun!
What's behind the dinosaur?
Basically,
Mighty Beans, new collectibles launching this September. There's 140 to collect, including a super rare gold. I really like the chick, the chicken.
The chicken, where's
Next
that?
to the, yeah, that one.
There he is.
This is the Slam Pack, and we're about to find out why. These are gonna be a lot of fun.
walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies living bright.
We just got to the campsite and we had to like hike up a mountain.
It was a hill.
It felt like a mountain.
It was a hill.
I'm saying it's a mountain, it's more dramatic.
I think this one's ours.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, we got Rainbow Beach.
We have rainbows.
This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore.
Let's go look at everyone else's tent.
Yes.
There is no way we'll be forgetting this.
Oh, y'all got Treasure X? Yeah. That is so cool.
We're gonna go see Grace from Grace's World. Welcome to my world.
That is so cool. What's your theme?
We have little secrets. So there's so many cool little secrets. And it's a secret little box in there too.
I love little secrets.
They are so cute.
I'm going to take a quick peek at the engineering family's tent. They have mighty beans. Wow, they got a beanstalk like in the middle of their room. We are glamping. Here is Grace.
Hi everyone.
And then of course, little Froggy.
Hi.
So, have you been camping before?
I've actually never been camping before. I'm not really a big fan of camping just because I'm probably going to bring my whole house with me when I'm packing, but
What about you? What do you think about camping?
I don't like it. But this is different. This isn't like regular camping where you're sleeping on a floor and it's cold and wet and gross. It's like it's a bed, so it's a step up. Yeah, it's so cool. Very glamorous. Yeah.
Yeah, because we're glamping, right?
Of course we are.
There is an awesome Shopkins theme everywhere. Lots and lots of new toys. This is like the best way to go camping. We've had an amazing time. We've been hanging out with so many fabulous YouTubers and Shopkins, of course. Moose, of course. They have so many really cool things. What are you doing?
I did it.
She likes the wobble.
raffles.
The raffle. What is it?
Raffles.
The raffle. Say it.
Rapples.
Rapple. Is it rapple?
Rapples.
Are you sure it's rapple?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Rapples.
Show me the label that says rapple.
They don't have a label.
There is a label somewhere.
Not on here.
Ha! See, so we don't
It
know.
is WRAPPL.
Okay, all right, rapple.
Yeah.
And tonight we're supposed to be doing some really cool activities. I think there's like, it looks like there might be like a treasure hunt or something because
There's the shopping things.
there's Shopkins all over the place. Do you see what I see? That is a limited edition Shopkins. So the treasure hunt hasn't started yet, but I know exactly where I'm running when it does. I am going to walk around and look for Shopkins ahead of time. Don't judge me. Here is one by the bathrooms. I see one right here. I think that's a laundry detergent one. Yes, I need one of those. Yeah, so whenever you go into these little treasure hunts, you have to have a plan.
Yeah.
Yes, because a lot of these people out here are really good treasure hunters, especially when it comes to Shopkins. And in prior years, mainly last year, I was not the most successful. So this year, I am determined to get the treasure. Not saying that I'm going to...
I'm going to take all of them and then hide them forever.
You better not. That'd be
Gotta do
horrible. That'd be horrible. We stopped to have dinner, so I'm gonna go back and make sure that that limited edition Shopkins is still there. Wait a minute. I left it. I left it right here. It's gone. Someone beat me to it. This has been a fantastic experience. Thank you so much, Moose, for inviting us.
We've had so much fun in the showrooms at the headquarters, going bowling.
With all the YouTubers and the Moose people and glamping.
Glamping so far has been amazing.
Yeah, it's like super cool. We had like pizza,
Yeah.
vegan pizza. I really like seeing all of the new products.
The new products are so cool.
So which one was your favorite?
I loved the licking puppy.
Yes.
And
no, this is my kissing puppy.
Yeah. the kissing puppy.
Shopkins Happy Places. You know, those are one of my favorites.
Yeah.
And mini packs. I love
Mini
the
packs, yeah.
So this has been fun. The treasure hunt did not go exactly how we thought it was going to.
Yeah, everything was already gone
Yeah.
before they could get to it.
Somebody beat me to everything. That happened. I'm actually a little upset about that. I'm hurt. I honestly thought this was the day I was going to get a limited edition Shopkins.
Nope.
And it didn't happen. It didn't happen.
You thought.
It didn't happen. Thank you so much for joining us while we had fun with Moose.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog.
And we will see you next time.
Bye.